Hello everyone, this is your friend Saurabh Kumar and you are watching the Connaissance channel. So, as you all know that recently Tejas, our indigenous light combat aircraft, has test fired Python 5 air-to-air missile, Israel's best missile. Now, how this test is important, everything I will let you know in simple language. So let's get started. Before starting, if you're not subscribed this channel, subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you may never miss any video that I upload. So let's get started. Now, first of all, as you all know that fighter jets are being classified into different categories like air superiority, bomber, attack, multi-role, interceptor. Then there is a category light combat aircraft, and this category till now at time I am making this video you will get two very important aircraft in South Asia. One is made in India Tejas and second is Pakistan and China's joint ventured JF-17 Thunder. Now, both these parties are trying to make their own product more attractive for international market, and reason behind this is the defense sale. India and China, both countries want that countries like Malaysia and many such countries may buy their aircraft. As you all know, Malaysia is looking forward to buy an aircraft, fighter jet aircraft, and India offered Tejas. Pakistan and China offered JF-17 Thunder. Whichever aircraft Malaysia buys, that aircraft will get a major boost in its reputation internationally. So, for time being, new missiles are being integrated in both Tejas as well as JF-17 Thunder by their countries to make it more attractive. Now, recently Pakistan's JF-17 Thunder was seen test firing BL-10E missile, that is made in China missile, and China says that in short range category of 20 km, it is their best missile with high target hit performance. Since Pakistan is using Chinese missile and integrating it in JF-17 Thunder, India decided to integrate Israeli missile in our Tejas fighter jet aircraft. And as simple it seems to hear that we have to integrate, but this is very difficult and is strenuous process. Python 5 is not made for Tejas by Israel. Israel is using Python 5 since 2006. Its range is also same as 20 km as of China's missile. We are talking about air-to-air missile, means a fighter jet will launch this missile on another fighter jet. Israel has claimed Python 5 as their one of the best missile, and this is because of its lock-on after property. Guys, this property is very lethal property that is being provided by this Israeli missile. In this missile, now what happens, fighter jet pilot have first lock the target and then fire a missile, but by this property of lock on after property, the missile can set a target after being launched from the aircraft. This makes Python 5 missile very lethal. Now, which company makes Python 5 missile? See, this has been made by a company named Rafale. Now, do not confuse it with Rafale fighter jet aircraft. We are buying fighter jet aircraft Rafale from France, which is made by a company named Dassault Aviation. And this is another case. Here we are talking about the company that is named Rafale, that is Israel-based company, and that makes many type of defense-related equipments, including missiles. Python 5 is their product. Now, why Israel says Python 5 is their best missile? See, in 2006, they have used it in Lebanon war. At that time, what happened? That Hezbollah, an organization in Lebanon, used UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, against Israel. So, in retaliation of this, Israel fired Python 5 from America's made F-16 fighter jet and destroyed the UAVs, and this stunned the Hezbollah organizations. Further, in October 2012, made in Iran drone was destroyed by Israeli using Python 5. That's why Israel says this is the best they have. Now, problem here is that Python 5 was made by Israel for F-16 and other American-made fighter jet aircraft. It was not made for Tejas. So, India had done a lot of research in this area to integrate with Tejas fighter jet aircraft. For this, DRDO did a lot of work and research, and finally it has been integrated in Tejas. This increases power of Tejas and more attractive in international market. On 27 April 2021, this test was done. And also DRDO tested made in Israel other missile that is named as Derby, and it is BVR, which stands for Beyond Visual Range, whose range is about 50 km and was also tested successfully. Now talking about some specification about Python 5 missile of Israel. Python 5 is a fifth generation air-to-air missile manufactured by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. It is newest member in the range of Python air-to-air missile. This missile can engage enemy aircraft from very short range and near beyond visual range. Is the most accurate and reliable air-to-air missile of the Israeli Air Force and one of the most sophisticated guided missiles in the world. The development on Python 5 began in 1990s. The missile was unveiled for the first time during the Paris Air Show in June 2003. Features of Israel air-to-air missile. Python 5 incorporates the aerodynamics airframe of Python 4 missile. It also retains the inertial navigation system that is abbreviated as INS, rocket motor, warhead, and proximity fuse of its predecessor. The advanced technologies combined with operationally proven components deliver superior performance. Python 5 is a dual-use missile suitable for air-to-air and surface-to-air missions. Means it can be used as an air-to-air from the fighter jet aircraft to other fighter jet aircraft. It can be fired, and also it can be launched from the surface or any surface vehicle to air for air defense. It integrates a fifth generation image seeker, modern software, and advanced countermeasures, IRCCM, and flight control system. Python 5 has a length of 3.1 meter, wingspan of 64 cm, and diameter of 16 cm. The weight of the missile is 105 kg, and it can carry an 11 kg high explosive fragmentation warhead equipped with an active laser proximity fuse. So this was all about the Python 5 missile. Thank you for listening and watching this video.